gurus, right? Any given Saturday, especially here in Tampa, you know, any given Saturday you can go to a free real estate seminar, right? They're on TV and all the names and free seminar. I remember I went out to Sand Key and it was, trying to think, oh, Russ Whitney, yeah, Russ Whitney, you know Russ Whitney? Yeah, he's a guru or whatever. And they would actually put the ropes. They would have ropes out, kind of like Disneyland. Like when it gets night, they kind of herd you into there. They'd have the ropes so he could give you his pitch right at you, like get everybody in there and pitch or whatever. Well, you know, be careful with this. A lot of people tell me they spent $50,000, $30,000, $40,000, and then they have it. They got a set of books and they're waiting for the coach or whatever. But a lot of this stuff you watch out for. Is this a guru? I don't know. Here you go. Here's some educators here that we've been fortunate over the years, right? Jimmy Napier, Pete Fortunato, Jock Miller passed, John Schaub. Look how young he is back there in that picture there.